Nice. Good job. Feathers are a flying. Oh yeah. Good. Got it in the head. Yep, good shot. What do you guys think?
Can we have one of the feathers, Daddy? Dad,
Oh yeah, you want to keep one?
Can I turn it over?
Yeah, go ahead and take a look.
Where did it die? Where did you shoot it?
In the head.
Where in the head?
In the whole head. What do you think, James?
It's cool.
What do you think, buddy?
Oh, you letting the... Yeah, look at its wings.
Hey, Chef-O.
Whoa, Mike. Hey, what are you doing, bud?
Hey, I love the place. This is my first time out here.
Whoa, what you got there?
I got this Jake just a few hours ago. I got it all cleaned up, got the feathers all off. Nice to see you, man.
Oh my God, thank you for bringing this over. I got your call earlier, but I didn't know you were going to be here this soon.
Yeah.
And boy, what a beautiful piece of specimen here. Look at this baby.
Yeah, I just shot this in the woods. Thanks for having me out. I thought we could come in and have this cooked in your little cabin out here. I love the
well, I
place.
tell you what, we're going to take this turkey, and boy, take a look at that. That is nice looking. I love the way you got it all cleaned up.
Thanks.
And we're going to dress this bad boy up, and they're going to be dressed so well, the other turkey's going to line up outdoors, just say, hey, I want to get some of that dressing.
All right.
All right. So what we're going to do is let's get ready and let's do this bad boy up and let the people know how we're going to stuff it. Now, this is not a Thanksgiving turkey. This is not a fancy dinner turkey.
Right.
We are out in the woods. We're sitting here, fireplace going over there, just reminiscing, hearing the coyotes and all the wildlife going at it. We're going to take this and just going to take it and make it a wildlife turkey,
Right.
okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to do some different things to it this time, and we're going to get ready to do it, and you are going to assist me with some stuff. All I need, we're going to set this apple over here. And what I want to do, I want to get this ready to put in our pans. I've got some pans we're going to do it in. But what I want to do is stuff this bad boy. And we're going to stuff the cavities with some apples.
Mm.
Yeah, we're going to take it and just take some apples and just get them all cut up here. And you can season the apple with a little sage or a little poultry seasoning or something to give it a little flavor. But I want to just take it and put it into the cavity of the turkey so I can add some flavor to it. I'm going to throw that right in there.
Nice.
I'm going to put some more, stuff it back. See if I can get that in there. And voila, see? It's just once this starts cooking, it's going to steam up and it's going to give it some flavor. Now, because what I want to do, see, you've got that all stuffed and ready to go. All right? What I have, hand me that boulder there, Mike. Yeah, that's right there.
There you go.
Here's a little mixture I got for everyone. I want to let you know this is my own special to bring the wildness out of here. People say, hey, Chef, how are you going to do something wild? How do you get that tangy flavor out of it? Well, I made a little something. This is called Chef-O Whiskey Base. Yeah, Chef-O. The base of it is whiskey. I have a little honey. I got went out back to the beehive, took a little honey, put it in there. I have a little French dressing. I
saw
put
that
some
beehive out there.
Yeah, you saw that beehive. Well, don't get close to it. And what I did, I took it and I mixed some mixture. I got a little Mrs. Dash original A1 sauce. I got a little ketchup, some little seasoning in here, and some more items. Like I said, I did French dress. Oh, barbecue, a little ketchup. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're just going to baste this bad boy. Just baste it just a little bit like that. And what I can have you do, if
Sure.
you can, just take it and make sure you get it completely covered with that. You can play with
Gotcha.
that. And get it and let them see how you're taking it and brush that on a little bit. Yeah. Oh, you can smell the whiskey in that. So this is gonna make this turkey want to jump up and dance because he feels so good.
This smells as good as it looks.
Oh yeah, you can just smell the flavor in there. So you can imagine what it's gonna smell like once we start getting it ready. Then we're gonna take some. While you're doing it, I'm gonna get our pan ready that we're gonna put it on. Let's just already get it ready. And I got some potatoes we'll put on one side of it. Put some potatoes here, lettuce potatoes here. Okay, get those sit there. And I'm kind of uneven here. There we go.
And I'll tell you, this was a complete headshot, so there shouldn't be any buckshot in the breast.
And there's no buckshots in it.
It came nice and close to my blind this year.
Oh, it came up and he like shoot me.
Yeah.
Got that going. Okay, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna put this up here and get over next to you. I'm gonna cut up a little onion. Keep going up.
Sure.
Yeah, better bring it back to this. Yeah, there we
Okay.
go. There we go. Just keep it. There we go. I'm gonna put a couple of these on here. Got to give a little onion flavor. Got to have the onion. No garlic this time, folks. Nope. No garlicky stuff on this turkey. This, like I say, this is what we're going to just do for the outdoor person. And like I say, going to take it. And like I say, the main ingredients to this is a little whiskey. You can use any kind you want. Just start out with your base of whiskey. Now, somebody's going to say, I thought you were supposed to burn the whiskey off. With this process, this turkey going to take us about 3.5 hours to cook up real nice when we get finished with it. And by then, the alcohol out of the whiskey will cook out. But what's going to be good is the flavor of it. Oh, you are really painting that up. You must be a painter. That what you do? Your real job? You just paint?
Not a very good one.
Okay. All right, you got that all painted up there.
All right.
All right, you got it?
Got it.
All right, let's see you take this. Come here, Mr. Turkey. Gobble, gobble. Touch you right on here. And look at her.
Oh, man.
Oh, look at that. That is a beautiful piece. What we're going to do, folks, we're going to take this, wrap it in foil, get it all ready. We're going to stick it in the oven. So as we get ready for that, tell you what, let's break away and get ready and do something else. And we're going to go out and pick some raspberry when we get this in the oven. All right? When we get back, everybody can see what it looked like, okay?
All right.
Those are some nice little berries that we picked off a bush.
You got
What-
a nice place here.
What we're going to do is we're going to make a sauce for that turkey.
Okay.
And what we need to do is, let me get this fire going here. And what I got here is some little raspberry jelly.
Okay.
Okay. Let me have that. This bag. We're going to use this bag.
Okay.
Okay, put that just a little bit in there. That's all we need, just a little bit.
Okay.
And set that over there. Grab that bowl there, because I'm going to need you in a minute. So we're going to take it and let the raspberry jelly get hot. Get this hot. And once it starts getting soft, we are going to be ready to go. Now, either you can strain this at the end, but me, like I say, I don't have time. We're not going to do that. For Grandma and all the aunts and stuff for Thanksgiving, we'll do something like, but we out here with the guys. And we're going to make this a real good guy thing. So, yeah. And once this gets nice and hot, I want you to take and pour a little bit of that whiskey in here. A little bit more. All right, take it back, and voila.
Nice.
Look at that. Ah, hell to the fire of the whiskey. Oh, hell to the fire of the whiskey. Ooh, this is going to kick in. Got that, okay. We're going to take it, add a little white wine vinegar that I had up in the cabinet, just a tad, just a little bit. Take that, a little orange juice, just a little bit. You don't want much in there.
Okay.
Okay. And got it going. And let it cook up. You see it boiling there, sizzling. And we're going to add a few raspberries to it. And let that cook down.
Oh, yummy.
You can smell the whiskey in that.
You know, Chef O, there's something that tastes better when you eat food that you harvested yourself.
You know what? It is. It's that love that you have, that you go out, not running to the store, you go out and spend a little time and say, picking wild berries, shooting wild turkeys, or bow hunting, or catching a nice fish on the pier, and you would just enjoy it. All right, I had a plate somewhere. Here we go. And I'm going to take that and set it there, because we're going to get ready and get that turkey out of the oven. So give us a few minutes, folks, and be right back, and we're going to get the turkey ready for us to go, okay? Oh, man, look, now, this is what I'm talking about. Look how that baby just turned out nice and shiny. That glaze, how it makes it look like a little glass looking. And that's what the nice little glaze we put on there. What we did, folks, we took it and wrapped it in foil, let it cook for about 2.5 hours, took the foil off, and let her just bake and get this nice and tan looking right here. And this is going to be ready to cut into. Now we're going to
Can we try it?
Oh, we're going to try it. We're going to throw some potatoes on our plate here. We got a couple of pieces cut off from our earlier turkey we had. We got some roasted potato with some herbs and spice on it. We took some of that honey we got from the back and put on the carrot here. We got a little honey glazed carrots. And tell you what, buddy.
You can't smell this at home, but man, it smells good.
Oh, you ought to smell. Oh, that glaze we put on there. Tell you what, you take this plate, and I'm gonna take this plate and tell you folks, if you was here, your tongue would be going crazy because you're gonna try to get to this real quick. Mike, I want to thank you for letting me bring your turkey to me. We got to do this again sometime.
We're gonna make a regular thing. Oh yeah, we'll do fish next time.
And I'm waiting for that elk steak. I got a good recipe for a good elk steak with some morel mushrooms.
Ooh, we'll bring you an elk.
So, thank you very much.
Thank you, Chef O.
We look forward to see you again in the future. Okay? That tastes just salsa.
Chef O.
This is really good. I like the way it came together.
I love coming to your cabin now.
Hey.
I will be back.
We have a lot of people coming here. Ooh, that turkey. Oh.